Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering what you need and exporting the Apple Watch face assets. Extract the dial, background, and complications as individual images. Open an image editor on your phone or PC and convert Hike to PNG if necessary, because many smartwatches prefer PNG. Once done, resize the main image to your watch's resolution and save separate complication elements. Make sure your watch has a custom face mode enabled. You'll transfer these files next. Now you adapt the assets to match your smartwatch's requirements, import the PNG into your editor, set canvas to the watch resolution, and position hour markers and hands precisely. You need to rebuild layer order, background, hands, complications, so the loader reads them correctly. If the watch requires a packaged face, use the Loader app to assemble the layers into its format. Make sure to preview at full size. This prevents misalignment when you install. Finally, transfer the rebuilt face to your smartwatch using the companion app or direct transfer. You install it through the watch face loader and then set it as active. Watch closely for missing icons or misaligned hands. If a complication fails, restart the watch and reapply the face, because cache issues are common. If things still go wrong, verify file formats, alpha transparency, and exact file names. Restore your original face from backup and try the conversion again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.